Hello everyone, welcome to OEM Technology. OEM is a professional of wiring harness and cable assembler. Today I'm going to introduce our product of LED lighting wiring harness. If you're interested, welcome your inquiry. Thanks. High quality waterproof Deutsch connectors. No cutting or splicing required. Just plug the new adapter in. 14-inch adapters give you flexibility in mounting your LED lightings. Wiring harness includes everything you need to wire your vehicle for LED lights. This product is specifically designed to work with an OEM Ford switch.